NVIDIA is making significant moves in the AI industry. Recently, the company has been working on redesigning its AI chips to comply with U.S. export regulations while still serving major Chinese clients like Alibaba, ByteDance, and Tencent. This comes after the U.S. government imposed restrictions that banned the export of NVIDIA's H20 AI chips to China, potentially leading to substantial financial losses for the company. In response, NVIDIA is developing new chips tailored for the Chinese market, with samples expected by June. Super Investors Business Daily on-screen text. Text on screen, super routers on screen text. Text on screen, super routers on screen text. Text on screen. At the same time, NVIDIA is expressing concerns about the rapid advancement of Chinese companies like Huawei in the AI sector. CEO Jensen Huang has highlighted that China is nearly on par with the US in the AI chip race, emphasizing the strategic importance of maintaining technological leadership. NVIDIA has been engaging with U.S. lawmakers to discuss these developments and advocate for policies that support domestic AI innovation. Despite these challenges, NVIDIA's stock has seen positive movement, buoyed by increased investments in AI infrastructure by major tech companies like Microsoft and Meta. Both companies have announced significant capital expenditures to expand their AI capabilities, signaling strong demand for NVIDIA's AI chips. Additionally, NVIDIA's manufacturing partner, Foxconn, has invested approximately $175 million in land and facilities in Houston, Texas, potentially paving the way for new AI factories. In summary, NVIDIA is navigating complex geopolitical challenges while continuing to innovate and expand its presence in the AI industry. The company's proactive approach to adapting its products and engaging with policymakers underscores its commitment to maintaining a leading role in the rapidly evolving AI landscape.